Hello guys, my name is Dennis, thanks for coming to my channel, and today I'm gonna check FSD Beta version 11.4.4. I'm gonna go to the Bronx. It's gonna be the highway and it's gonna be the few streets. Now let's see how the beta gonna merge here, and I have it on how it's called, on a chill mode, and the beta, let's see if the beta can be able to move it here. Yes, it's good. Because this way I see when I'm in chill mode, the beta sometimes turn on the blinkers when it's going from the highway. I mean, from when it's taking that exit, it sometimes turn on the blinkers, sometimes it's not. Today it decided not to turn on the blinkers. I mean, not understand why. And yeah, I'm going to the Bronx. It's gonna be like a lot of highways, a lot of that stuff, and I think I'm gonna just fast forward the highway, and I'm gonna see you on the exit. Let's see how the beta gonna take the exit. And okay, you know guys, I'm gonna change it for the average, because I mean on that chill mode the beta is long time going in the slow lane. Oh, and yeah, everybody decided to pass that guy because he's going, I don't know, 40 on the highway. I mean, that's, I don't know, maybe something happened, maybe not, but yeah, that's why I changed my settings to the average, and yeah, I'm still going to the Bronx. And guys, I'm trying to do the range test, and now I got 20%, and for the 20%, it's 42 miles. I just disengaged the beta there, that because my car trying to move to the middle lane, and the other car from the right lane also trying to. I mean, the Tesla see that, but I disengaged it before. Just kind of safety for me this way. But yeah, you can see here 70%, and it's 42 miles range now for 20%. I mean, I'm gonna see what's gonna be at the end. And in this video, for the range test, I disengage the Century mode. I turn it off the heat protection of the car, and you know what? It looks like the range is much better than before, because I was did one test. You can check it here. I'm gonna edit on the screen. You can check that video, and I think now the range is much better. Let's see if the beta can be able to merge here. If it's gonna pass that car and gonna merge it, let's see. It should. There's a lot of space here. Okay, very nice. It did perfectly. Let's find a way to move to that lane. Very nice. And let's see how it's gonna take that exit. Okay, very nice. No problem here. And I'm still going to the Bronx. Alright guys, I'm gonna again fast forward this, and I'm gonna connect it again when we're gonna take that exit for the I-678. over here looks like a little bit traffic because they closed one lane. And over here, let's see how the better gonna take that's exit 1 and to the 1 week expressway to the Bronx. Let's see how the better gonna do that. Because now, before there was, I believe, 2 lanes for that exit, and now I believe it's only 1 lane. But anyway, let's see how the better gonna take that curve and how it's gonna go out from the exit. Okay, yes, it's only 1 lane here right now. Before there was 2 lanes. I just hold my hand on the wheel. Because one time I got this engagement and it's count like, before and after pilot settings, they said it's going to be 5 times something, whatever with your autopilot. You're going to be able to use it anymore for a certain amount of times. But yeah, I got that one. I was driving from the Canada on the highway, and I don't know, for no reason it started the red wheel and blah 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 blah, and it disconnected me from the full self driving for the rest of my trip. I mean, not for the rest of my trip. I just stopped on the supercharger and turned on the car again, and everything was fine. But yes, it counts as I don't like when the beta do that. When the beta didn't turn on the blinkers and it's waiting for the last moment to go on the highway. I just really don't like it. Okay, guys, and it's perfect. We take that exit. Everything is fine. You see that in the video, and yeah, for now, Tesla doing a great job. There was one disengagement, but there's no need for that disengagement because they better see that. I mean, I'm just that kind of person that I kind of see faster what the better see and that the car is going to move. So we're going to merge together, and that's why I disengage the better. But the better also see that. Alright, and once again, I'm going to fast forward till the exit. Now they better gonna take the exit 10. They better perfectly move here to the left lane. Before I disengaged because the other car was so close to the Tesla. I mean, they were just literally less than, I don't know, like this much space between my mirror and the car mirror. That's why I disengaged it. But anyway, so far the beta doing super great job here, and yeah, it's perfect. We'll take that exit. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see you, I think, at the entrance of the Whitestone Bridge. Actually, I checked the map, and it looks like I'm not gonna go to the Whitestone Bridge. I'm just gonna go to Grand Central something, whatever. Okay, then I'm gonna see you at the exit. disengaged the beta over there, that because there was police officer and the beta was going 58 miles per hour, but the speed limit was 40. That's why they decided to disengage it. But other than that, everything is fine. I disengaged the beta because the truck was stopped on the middle lane, and I see the guy show me that, guys, just move it from the lane. That's why I disengaged the beta, and I believe I gotta disengage the beta again because I have to be in this lane when the beta was before, and now I'm gonna engage the beta again because I don't need to go there. I think so, because yeah, we gotta go to the Albany. Alright guys, and I'm gonna fast forward. And over here I disengaged the beta because the beta trying to move to this lane, to the left lane, and it didn't move. And then I see in the back the guy let me go. That's why I decided to move, and that's why I disengaged the beta. I disengaged beta here because I don't know, for some reason this version of the beta 11.4.4 in those kind of tight spaces, it's trying to go super slow, like 10 miles per hour. I mean, it's not great here on the highway. That's why I disengaged the beta, and now I'm gonna engage the beta again. Alright, so now on a 0.2 miles, I'm going to take the exit San, then I'm going to turn right, and then I'm going to turn left. Let's see how the beta going to perform that. If it's going to be any problem for the beta to do that maneuver, like to turn. Okay, and the beta took that exit. I thought we were going to miss it, but no. We're good, and over here on that light, the beta should turn right, and then left. Let's see how the beta gonna perform that. It might be gonna be some problem for the beta, but I see on the path there, the beta showing the great way to turn there. I mean, let's check that. Alright, now it's a green light and the beta start moving forward. Okay, very nice. Let's see. Okay. Looks like the beta doing great here. Very nice. I like it, but there was actually no pedestrians, nobody there. That's why I think there is no problem for the beta to turn like right and then left. Really not problem, and it's a green light. Let's see how we're gonna start moving. And the beta, like always, start moving right away when the car start moving in front of me, and that guy decided to turn. Okay, I mean the beta stopped there. Very nice, and it's proceeding forward. Very good. And It's another red light. Let's see how the beta gonna stop. Okay, the beta stopped perfectly. No problem here. Very nice and easy. Perfect stop. And you can see there, like in a few blocks, it's gonna be already my destination. But anyway, let's see how the beta gonna perform here. There's gonna be in a few lights my destinations, but actually my destination is gonna be a little bit further. I don't know why, but the map here would show me that the destination is here, and the beta is slowing down here. The beta wants to move to the right lane, but it decided to not. Very nice. Very good. Let me pass that light and I'm gonna disengage the beta, or I'm gonna disengage the beta right now. Let's see how many seconds. It's like, yeah, then now it's like no, I'm still staying here. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. That was my trip to the Bronx. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'm gonna post next video soon. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye.